Hello everyone, welcome back again to Hack with Victor. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can bypass Windows 11 Defender using an image file. Everything I'm gonna show you step by step, so make sure do not skip the video, do not forward the video, just watch it properly. Okay? So let's start this. Now, before moving ahead guys, let me clear you one thing that this video is only and only for the educational purpose, that how you can protect yourself from such attacks and how all this thing works. Okay, so let's start. To make this happen, first of all you need my this telirus tool. Okay, and in future, not now, maybe in future I will upload this on my GitHub, so you can just go and use it, and it is very easy to use. You just need to install the Rust in your Kali machine, and once it will be done, apart from that everything will be written on the GitHub only, so you can just go and follow over there, and you have to use this cargo build command to compile the exe, and once it will be done, which I have already created, so I'm not gonna show you that steps because video is also uploaded on my YouTube channel related to that thing, so you can just go and watch it. So the exe is already compiled on my this machine. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll simply copy the exe on my Windows machine, okay, to the desktop. So here we go, and now we have the telegram bot.exe on our Windows desktop machine. Okay, so here you can see. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to copy, or I'm gonna bind this exe in my image file. So how we are going to do that? So let me first of all remove this one, and how you can make such thing by yourself also, let me show you. So for that you need to just go to your Chrome browser, download any JPG image. Okay, you just need to download any JPG image and go on this website on IcoConvert. This is a very old method, but it still work, so you can use this. Okay, and you have to just select on the 64-bit, click on the convert. Once it will be click on the convert, download the image and just go for the desktop. Over the desktop, what you have to do next, you have to just copy this girl image and the telegram at the same time. But before that, we will change the name of this one from icon to girl. Okay, once it will be done, you just need to copy the both the file at the same time, the original image and the bot exe image. And also you need a WinRAR. Just select on the WinRAR, go to the add to archive, select the create sfx archive, give the name of your original file, which is girl.jpg.exe. Go for the advanced option, click on the sfx option, go for the setup, and give the first name, which is the girl.jpg, and the second one, which is our telegram bot.exe. Once it will be done, just go for the modes, click on the unpack to temporary folder, click on hide all, go for the updates, click on the extracts and update files, go for the overwrite all the files, and at the end just select the icon file which we downloaded just now. Okay, so now if I'll just click on OK button, so look what will happen. And here we go, now we have this girl.jpg. As you can see, there is no detection till yet. If I want to show you manual scan also, so here we go, scan with Microsoft Defender, and you can see no current threats. And if I just go to the virus center protections, let me just don't send, and if I just go to the manage and settings, you can see everything is turned on apart from this automatic sample submission. There is nothing in the exclusion, everything is turned on. So now what will happen, if I just open this image for a victim, for our victim it is just a normal JPG file. Okay, you can see this is just a normal JPG image file, but what will happen if you just go to your telegram and you will just click on start, so look what will happen, and done. Now here you can see we have the access of our this Windows 11 machine, and attacker can control your device with his phone. You don't need laptop to carry all the time, because if you have the adaptics, you know that you need to open your laptop all the time because you cannot install the adaptics in your phone. Okay, so that's why I made this video with the help of telegram one. And now if I just go for the Wi-Fi pass, so it will going to give you the Wi-Fi passwords. If I'll just go for the disable AV, you can disable the AV, the system info. Okay, fine. If I just go to the cmd dir, so here you can see we have this girl.jpg, this telegram bot.exe. And now if I just go for the location, so it will going to also give you the location. Now let me clear you one thing, this is the ISP location guys, this is not the location of my current one. Okay, if until unless you don't have the APIs which is used by the telecom providers, all that things, so you cannot get the exact location of the device. But yes, this is the ISP details of my internet. Okay, so take an example, if your SIM card is from Mumbai and you are currently in Delhi, so if you'll try to get the location, so that location will come from Mumbai only. Okay, because your ISP internet service provider of that SIM card is in Mumbai. So don't get fooled that this is not the exact location of your device. Apart from that, you can just lock the PC, you can shut down, you can install the keylogger. And take an example, if I want to go for the notepad, okay, And now if I'll just type hello, how are you, and if I will copy this thing like this, and I will just close this, and if I just click on the clip, so look what will happen. And you can see the clipboard also copied over here, and you can see whatever I typed over the notepad, it's over here, hello, how are you. So all this thing you can do with this, and how attacker can basically compromise your device with just an image file. For you it's a normal JPG, but until unless you will not go for the show more options, you will not be able to understand that actually it is an exe, our telegram bot.exe, which is I hide it into this image. Okay, now if I want to cancel this, or if I want to delete this, it will not going to be get deleted. If the victim will going to restart his machine, still after restart, after few minutes, you will get a callback on your C2. So to delete everything, you need to just go on the background process, remove everything from here. And now if I want to delete this image file, so here we go, everything is done. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. You learned something new, that how you can control anyone's device with an image file automatically. It's basically it's not just with an image, you need to hide your shellcode into the image file, but hope you understand how you can do these things. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video among those people who wants to learn all these things. That's it for today. We'll meet in the another video.